If you're walking through Tribeca on a Tuesday afternoon and a caravan of sanitation trucks crosses your path, you might be in the vicinity of the president. Heavy with street salt, 4 dump trucks per intersection box in the presidential motorcade, protecting against, action movie-style shenanigans. Among the crowd that's gathered, there's no ambiguity about who's here. Barricades, Secret Service, tricked-out armored vehicles. This is President Obama's second visit to New York City in 2 weeks. On September 24th, after a workday at the United Nations, this is what it looks like when Obama's motorcade descends upon Houston Street for dinner at the tiny restaurant Estela. On Tuesday, Obama was at another Lower Manhattan restaurant called White Street for a Democratic fundraiser. This time, police set up a wide perimeter spanning several intersections. And don't even try standing too close. One officer said she didn't want the Secret Service to tackle me. They do look intense. Only residents of this block or White House staff were allowed past the barricades. Even a waiter at the restaurant of the event was turned away by police. They're saddling up, says one officer, and suddenly the onlookers are pushed back.
Take this street!
Again.
Back. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
They really should be more specific.
Hey, folks.
And again.
Everybody, shift all the way down. You can't stand right here. You need to shift all the way down.
At this point, we're pretty far off as a tent conceals Obama's exit from the restaurant. His Cadillac, the Beast, as the Secret Service calls it, makes a quick exit, and the show's over.
Thanks, folks.
Sure, we never even catch a glimpse of Barack Obama, but one young boy remarks, "That was cool! One of the coolest things I've ever seen!"